With the temperatures rising and flowers blooming, it's natural to crave a little spring update around the house. I'm Tara Aronson, and I'm here to share some of my favorite tips on getting a jump start on your spring cleaning and get your home ready for the warmer months ahead. With spring comes warmer temperatures, which means more outdoor activities that can lead to stains. My top tip is to spruce up your laundry process so you can get out, get active, and focus on doing what you love this season. Consider Maytag's new front-load washer and dryer with extra power button to help tackle spring stains. Some stains dissolve better in hot water, others in cold. And with the push of an extra power button, you can fight both in a single load. And the extra power button on the dryer helps prevent underdrying by getting those thick fabrics, pockets, and seams drier the first time. It helps take the guesswork out of doing the laundry. Ready to give your home a deep cleaning? It's the 40th anniversary of the Black & Decker Dust Buster, and brand new this year is the Dust Buster Advanced Clean Plus hand vacuum, which features an extra long crevice tool that makes it easy to vacuum hard to reach places. It has 2 speeds and is seriously powerful, with 4 times more suction power versus the leading Dust Buster hand vacuum. Plus it has a one-touch button that opens an extra large dust bin to allow for easy emptying directly into the trash, helping to keep hands clean. And now that we've tackled those tough corners, it's time to get to the rest of the house. Did you know that not only do Americans spend a lot of time cleaning, but it also consumes their daily thoughts and overall happiness? A survey found that nearly 1 in 5 millennials and Gen Xers prefer a clean house to dinner at their favorite restaurant. The new and improved 2-ply Viva multi-surface cloth is stronger, softer, and more absorbent, so you can trap and lock in mess. It's great for cleaning appliances, removing crumbs from counters, and cleaning mirrors. For deep cleaning, removing hard, dried-on messes, and cleaning floors, there is also a soft, light cloth paper towel that's durable enough to tackle any mess with ease. For more information on all of these products, visit BetterStuffForLife.com.